What is a digital signature? The benefits and how it works. What is a digital signature? A digital signature is a mathematical technique used to guarantee the authorship and integrity of a message or piece of data. Because of this, it's impossible to copy a digital signature. How is it done? The standard for creating and validating digital signatures is called Public Key Infrastructure, PKI. In PKI, a private key is used to sign the message and a public key is used to validate the signature. A certificate issued by a trusted third party, called a certificate authority, CA, is used as proof that the holder of the private key is who they say they are. The differences between a digital signature and an electronic signature. Digital signature. Digital signature ensures the integrity and authorship of your contracts. Digital signature ensures your signed contracts are tamper-proof, preventing changes after they are signed. Digital signature is a method to guarantee integrity. Digital signature is generated by software technology. Electronic signature. Electronic signature ensures the signature is connected to the signer. Electronic signature indicates that there's an intent of the signer to agree to the content as specified in the contract. Electronic signature is a type of signature. Electronic signature is generated by the signer either through a click of a button or a hand-drawn signature on an electronic device. How digital signatures improve workflows. 1. Faster document processing. 2. Remote signing. 3. Automated workflows. 4. Increased security. 5. Reduced costs. 6 reasons to choose digital signatures. 1. Safe and secure. 2. Uniquely yours. 3. Globally accepted. 4. Sign anywhere. 5. Easiest way to sign. 6. Tamper-proof.